Alright, so you guys know what this trick is, right? I mean, yeah, of course you do. You're not dumb. But wait, do you guys actually know who invented it? Oh, you don't? Well, let me just tell you. This is the guy who invented the Ollie. Alan Ollie Gelfand. Alan is a former professional skateboarder and an inventor of a skateboarding trick known as the Ollie. He was born on January 28th, 1963 in Florida, USA. Alan started skateboarding in the mid-1970s and quickly became known for his styles and tricks. And when did he invent the Ollie? Hold on. I'm gonna get there. In 1978, in the age of 15, he developed the Ollie. But many people claim they invented the Ollie before Alan, but Alan just had the proof. Usually back in the day, they would do a bunch of grabs coming off the ramps, and Alan was the first one to actually do it to come off the ramp without touching the board. Till this day now, he is now an owner of an auto repair shop. It's called German Car Depot, located in Hollywood, Florida. And he's kind of low-key. He doesn't have like tens of million followers on social media or a video game created of his name like Tony Hawk. This is his Instagram right here, and I'd probably say homie's just living his life like a normal person. That's pretty sick. All I gotta say is my boy Alan getting that. I know he is.